Good morning, everyone. Just heading out to start the day by taking care of the animals, as we always do. I'm getting ready to see some lambs come running up the hill so they can be out on grass. And we gotta do our first move of our chicken tractor today. So, turn you guys around there. Chicken tractor up there. First move of the meat birds. Anaya, Finley. I know you guys are excited this morning. Yeah. You guys are some happy pups. Happy pups.
It's been a while since I left. Nobody knows where I went, but I think I found my place. Don't worry, I'm doing just fine out in the islands where the time goes a little more my pace. I've been floating coast to coast, Bahamas to Puerto Rico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home.
Alright, you ready?
I have birds on the back. They've just got to be trained. I have a chicken that's refusing to move.
I think if you just go slowly, they'll start following.
I have it stuck on the coop is stuck on a little hill. Come on. A little bit more. Alright.
They're on fresh grass.
They're on fresh grass. Look what they did, honey.
So the chickens, I mean, they really took that down
Oh,
pretty good.
this leaks. I have to do something about that.
We can seal up it's leaking by the handle.
Let's also put a handle on this.
They're still blocked at the bottom.
Hmm.
They eat their food down pretty good.
Yeah. Let's get another scoop. Yeah, let's get this up tied then. The other one
Mr.
tied
Hunt.
the same way. This side stayed up, but maybe it stayed up because, well, hi, buddy. This one you have a lot of tarp overhang, so that one stayed up. But even still, if a raccoon or something climbs up that, and they step there, the tarp is going to fall in. They'll be able.
You keep an eye on those chickens. You keep them safe, buddy.
This is what I've done.
It's been a while since I left. Nobody knows where I went, but I think I found my place. Don't worry, I'm doing just fine out in the islands where the time goes a little more my pace. I've been floating coast to coast, Bahamas to Puerto Rico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Just riding waves, 'cause I know no matter where the tide goes, the sun is on my face. Searching for treasures in my mind, I know I'll find it, 'cause the islands are showing me the way. I've been floating coast to coast, from Cuba to Mexico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Yeah. When I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you
Yeah,
I'm
that's what I was wanting it to do.
Okay. So should we lift it up?
Probably. This tarp was destroyed.
Okay. So,
All right.
good to go there.
So that that's done.